Britain and India will strengthen their defenses and security ties, including partnering on the development of combat jet technology, UK Prime Minister Mr. Boris Johnson announced during a trip to New Delhi on Thursday last week. Johnson said the Defence Cooperation Pact would boost procurement across several areas, but offered few details during a press conference wrapping up the two-day visit to India. The trip was aimed principally at progressing talks about free trade deal between the nations, but Johnson said that the two countries would seek closer defense procurement to meet threats across land, sea and air, and space and cyber, including partnering on new fighter jet technology and maritime technology to detect and respond to threats in the oceans. The reference to the fighter jet technology partnership is likely relates to British efforts to bring India on board to its 6th generation or 6.5 generation Tempest Future Combat Air System program. The program launched by the British in 2018 and has been the subject of talks with India for some time as part of the broader push to attract the international partners into the development of combat jet with in-service date of around the middle of the next decade. Britain is already partnering with Italy and Sweden in the technology development effort and recently agreed to cooperate with Japan on the sensor and propulsion system. BAE Systems, Leonardo, MBDA, Rolls-Royce, and Saab are leading the early phases of the technology development program. A statement issued by the British High Commission in India said, both leaders noted cooperation in the key areas of strategic collaboration, including modern fighter jets and jet engine advanced core technology. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in the statement he welcomed the UK announcement of an open agreement export license to the defense and to facilitate the technology engagement with India, and the open opportunity for India to participate in the UK aviation and naval shipbuilding programs. On the maritime front, the two sides have agreed to partner on the electric propulsion capability. Johnson said the arrangement would boost Indian effort to increase the percentage of defense procurement manufactured locally. We have agreed to the new and expanded defense and security partnership, a decade-long commitment that will make not only forge tighter bonds between us, but support your goal of Make in India, said Mr. Boris Johnson, referring to India's drive for the greater domestic manufacturing in the defense sector. India is one of the world's largest importers of the defense technology, but its market is dominated by Russia, which accounts for more than 50% of the inward sales, and that's all changing as the US and Israel are filling up India's defense inventory. India has come under criticism from UK and US over the refusal by Modi to condemn the Russian invasion of Ukraine, but the issue appeared to be sidelined during the talks between the two countries.
Since 2000, Blue Origin has been aiming at providing reliable space travel and colonization services. Over time, other private companies like SpaceX and Virgin Galactic also started working on the mission of space travel. These interplanetary space travels include space vacation, orbiting space hotels, and even sending humans to Mars, the red planet. With all that in mind, the 21st century is the century of the space race. Million people on Mars. The news flooded the internet after Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, tweeted about his mission to send 1 million people to Mars by the end of 2050. According to Musk, we are manufacturing a Starship that consists of a spacecraft and a super heavy rocket. The reusable Starship will be capable of orbit refilling, and for refueling on Mars, carbon dioxide and water resources are also available. To support financially, Musk is planning to create a city on Mars where many jobs will be available for people. According to SpaceX, they will send a fleet of 1,000 Starships per year, 100 per month, and 3 Starships per day. For sending 1 million people to Mars, the Starship launch system will come in handy. With each launch, a Starship will carry 100 tons of mass and 100 people to orbit. To support a sustainable life system, food, water, equipment, and building materials will also be sent to Mars. Mars has the most habitable nature after Earth in this solar system, with a decent amount of sunlight, gravity, and optimal weather conditions to support life. Founded in 2002, having a mission to colonize Mars, SpaceX is now planning on sending 4 private citizens for space tourism in 2021 or 2022. For this reason, SpaceX signed an agreement with a tourism business, Space Adventures. Dragon's space flight will take citizens to orbit the Earth 2 to 3 times. Recently, SpaceX finished the second major flight test of Crew Dragon, also known as Dragon 2. This capsule-designed Dragon 2 has a few hanging seats and touchscreens. The spacecraft is also ringed with windows smaller than Blue Origin windows. To sum up, SpaceX will send people in space at the start of 2022 on Crew Dragon. To date, Blue Origin, SpaceX, and Virgin Galactic are continuously working on and testing different technologies to send people in space ranging from orbits, the Moon, and beyond. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos in 2000, is working on a plan of colonizing space. The Moon lander is also a part of this plan, which will take people to the Moon by 2024. Moreover, the company is also working on launching reusable rockets like SpaceX. Jeff Bezos also wants to pull off water in ice form from the surface of the Moon. Along with a mission to colonize space, Blue Origin is also working on making suborbital to orbital flights. Their new crew capsule has large windows from where passengers can see the outside view of space. To fund the colonizing mission of Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos sells part of his stock of Amazon. Further, the Amazon billionaire said that their next goal is to manufacture a beautiful space world that can support 1 trillion people at a time. Future plans of Virgin Galactic on space travel. Founded in 2004, Virgin Galactic is on a different mission than SpaceX and Blue Origin. Its focus area is tourism in suborbital space. In short, future space traveling plans of Virgin Galactic are to provide commercial flights to its paying customers. For this reason, the company is testing its spacecraft for flights in space. According to Richard Branson, Virgin Galactic founder, they have assembled their second spacecraft, ready to go for spaceflight. Hence, the company keeps performing ground tests on the spacecraft before test flights at the Mojave Air and Spaceport of California. Their mission is to take thousands of private astronauts to space. For now, the company announced that one spacecraft will carry 6 passengers and 2 pilots into space, where people can feel up to 6 minutes of weightlessness in the lowest level. In the first 3 months of 2021, Sir Richard Branson will be the first to take the company's flight in space.